CROs. We have separate data management CROs. We have IT companies. We also have this regulatory affairs happening into the pharmacy. You can focus on bioanalytical research, which happens in the pharmaceutical industry. Because rather than thinking, pharma means it's only R&D, pharmaceutical organizations, which is related to all these clinical data management companies and regulatory affairs, you can always focus into. You have IT companies in healthcare BPOs. There's a lot of healthcare BPOs also happening, and also into packaging and labeling into all these multinational companies. Why do you need a career in clinical research? It's the fastest growing. It's the fastest growing into healthcare thing, and we also have the medical coding. We have the training also. You can either choose the medical coding part or into the clinical data management regulatory affairs. It's an excellent opportunity to develop combination of technical and management skills. It's a part of global growth opportunity. So you don't have to think that just one designation you will be entering in. When you have the opportunities, so you can have regulatory affairs, bioanalytical research, pharmacy, as a pharmacist. So when you can have all these 3-4 opportunities opened up, then you can choose where you can exactly, you can grow into your industrial skills. It has rapidly growing opportunities, and it's growing both internal as well as external. You have the attractive compensation and future growth, higher job satisfaction, and continuous training, because it's not like one software you're trained with, you're there. Into any job, here it is, multiple opportunities are keeping on coming, and the market is expanding. The international opportunities in this particular industry. And that's the end of the session of clinical trials and pharmacovigilance.